Are you interested to earn $2 every minute online? Because in this very video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that. But before that, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Zadi Mustafa and welcome to my channel. In this particular channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of content and method on how to make money online. And I'm going to making sure all the method is easy and newbie friendly. And if you want more video how to make money, consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that way you will not gonna miss every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get down to business. So the website that I'm talking about is called validately.com, right? Test website, make money. It is that simple. So it is literally this, because you're going to make money with testing website. So how to do that? How does it work? It's actually work with only 3 simple steps, which is step number 1, sign up. Step number 2 is start taking tests, and during your sign up process, you're going to be asked about 12 to 13 questions that require you to fill all the question, answer the question, and then you're going to be emailed a simple test. And that test is actually really important, because in that test you're going to determine whether or not you are going to pass or not. And if you pass that test, you're going to be sending out a bunch of websites that require you to test the website, and eventually you're going to make money with that website and get paid, right? So before that, I just want to show you up. This is a pretty legit company. This is actually a legitimate way on how to make money. As you can see here, this website had been working with Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate. So this is literally big company in the world, so you don't have to worry. It's really legit, right? So let's go through the frequently asked questions here. So what do I need to get started? Of course, a computer and a microphone, because you're going to use some sort of software, which is they're going to provide you a software, and I have it here already. And you're going to install it, add on into your Google Chrome as a plugin, and then you're going to record your screen using that software. And also, if you don't have a computer, Apple or Android smartphone will be okay, alright? So you must use Google Chrome, because the application is not going to work with IE or Firefox, okay? So if you haven't yet already, I will encourage you to install your Google Chrome right now. So a high-speed internet connection, you must be at least 18 years old, you must have the ability to communicate in English, right? So I think you don't have to have really fluent in English. As long as you can communicate in English, I think that will be okay, because literally, obviously, you're going to giving your thought, giving your opinion in English. Okay, so you must have a PayPal account. This is also crucial, because they are only going to sending the payment via PayPal. And if you haven't yet already, I will highly recommend you to head over to PayPal and click sign up and link up your debit card or credit card and have it ready. Alright, so that is pretty much it. It's really straightforward. Now I'm going to walk you through the sign up process. Right, click the sign up button or the link, and then you're going to land over to this page. Click the create account, and question number 1, what type of mobile device do you own? I own iPhone. Before that, I just want to advise you to put all the correct answer with this question, this set of questions, because it is really important, because it's going to determine you for your future jobs, right? So, but this is just an example. I just wanted to show you how the sign up process will be look like, right? I'm using Windows PC, Windows 10, I'm male, what year you were born. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the truth here. I'm just going to make some, example. So I will say 1990. And then some college or university. What is your employment status? Self-employed. And then what is your job title? Just put account executive and under 25k per year. What is your full name? You're going to put Mr. Zach. Okay, so make it all caps lock. Mr. Zach, what is your email? Mr. Zach at gmail.com. Exists, already exists, okay, because I just make some example prior. So Mr. Zach 19, then PayPal, Mr. Zach 19 as well at gmail.com. I just wanted to show you an example. So click next and detect my location. So they're going to detect your current location right now, and I'm at currently at Kuala Lumpur, and click next. By joining our panel, you agree to our panel terms of service and privacy. So I would highly recommend you to read all this privacy policy and panel term of service first, right? So I click yes, I agree. Click sign up. Thanks for signing up. Okay, so what happened next? We will review your 1-minute screen test in the coming week. You will get an email telling you if you pass or not. If you pass, we will start emailing you website to test. Alright, so just click the screener test right now. I'm not going to walk you through because it is pretty straightforward. I'm not going to drag this video too long. I just wanted to showing you the process, and this is actually really easy. So take the screener test now, and then you're going to ask to install the add-on Google Chrome here, because this software is going to allow you to record your screen. All right, so I think that is pretty much it. And then you're going to get, if you pass, of course, if you pass, then they're going to email you the website that you're going to test, and then you're going to make money with that website. All right, so I think guys, that is pretty much it. I wish you good luck with this method, and if you find some value throughout this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and that way it's going to make me feel more excited to produce a new video in the future. So that's all. Take care. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye bye.